Giraffe isn't the only rewards app that lets you earn by playing mobile games, and several alternatives offer different ways to collect points, gift cards, or cash for completing offers and gameplay milestones. By the end, you'll know 7 of the best Giraffe alternatives, and which one is the best fit for the way you like to earn rewards. Let's start with the closest alternatives. Number 7 is a Rewarded Play. Rewarded Play recommends mobile games based on your interests and rewards you as you reach milestones. If you mainly use Giraffe to discover new games, this feels very familiar. Number 6 is Mist Play. Mist Play is another game rewards platform focused on Android users. It tracks your gameplay, awards points for eligible games, and lets you redeem supported rewards after earning enough points. Number 5 is Just Play. Just Play combines game rewards with a wide variety of casual titles. Instead of sticking to one genre, it rotates different games so you always have something new to try. Now let's look at apps that expand beyond gaming. Number 4 is Free Cash includes games, surveys, app downloads, and promotional offers in one platform. If you want more ways to earn instead of relying only on mobile games, this is one of the strongest choices. Number 3 is Cashkick. Cashkick focuses on surveys, mobile games, and sponsored offers. The dashboard is straightforward, making it easy to keep track of completed activities and available opportunities. Number 2 is Ananyayan. Ananazimei, and Ananasekot Skort. Ananyabaway2 is Amaika Bash, Unbucksies. Swagbucks offers one of the widest selections of earning methods, including surveys, shopping rewards, videos, web searches, games, and special promotions. It's a good option if you prefer variety over focusing on a single activity. The top recommendation is UJFH Rewards. Buy. Unlike the others, Fetch Rewards earns rewards from everyday shopping by scanning eligible receipts. That makes it an excellent companion app instead of a direct replacement, because you continue earning even when you're not playing games. One thing to remember is that every rewards app has different eligibility rules, available offers, and redemption options. The offers shown to you may be different from what another user sees because they depend on your location, device, and account history. To get the best results, use more than one legitimate rewards app instead of relying on only one platform. That gives you access to a wider range of earning opportunities whenever one app has fewer available offers. To summarize, Rewarded Play, Mist Play, and Just Play are great for gaming. Free Cash and Cashkick adds surveys and offers. Swagbucks provides the widest variety, and Fetch Rewards is the best companion app for earning rewards from everyday purchases. If you found a new app to try, like the video and subscribe for more rewards app comparisons, tutorials, and money-saving tips.